Platinum Mastercard from Capital One credit card features, strengths, weaknesses. The Capital One Platinum Mastercard is primarily designed for individuals with fair credit, typically those who are building or rebuilding their credit history. Its core feature is the opportunity to build credit responsibly, as Capital One reports to all three major credit bureaus. There are no annual fees, which is a significant advantage for those just starting out, as it reduces the overall cost of ownership. Key features include access to Capital One's CreditWise tool, which allows you to monitor your credit score and receive alerts about changes to your credit report. The card also offers fraud liability protection, meaning you won't be held responsible for unauthorized charges. One of its main strengths is its accessibility. It's relatively easy to get approved for, even with a less than perfect credit history. Another strength is that Capital One often considers applicants who may have been denied by other lenders. However, the Platinum Mastercard has notable weaknesses. It offers no rewards or cash back on purchases, unlike many other credit cards on the market. This means you won't earn anything back on your spending. The APR is also typically high, especially for those with fair credit, so carrying a balance can become costly. Furthermore, there are no introductory APR offers, balance transfer options, or significant perks beyond the basic credit building functionality. Therefore, this card isn't suitable for people seeking rewards, travel benefits, or low interest rates. Who is it actually for? It is best for people who need a tool to establish or improve their credit score, avoid annual fees, and are committed to paying their balance in full each month to avoid high interest charges. In conclusion, the Capital One Platinum Mastercard is a solid option for its target demographic, individuals with fair credit looking to build or rebuild their credit. Just be aware of its limitations, namely the lack of rewards and the potential for high APR, and consider whether those trade-offs are acceptable for your specific financial situation. If you're looking for rewards or lower interest rates, you'll need to consider other card options once your credit improves. Use it wisely to build good credit habits, and you'll eventually qualify for cards with much better perks and benefits.